this is your first time here and you want to know more about the latest promotions and phones, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to be the first notified.
What's going to happen here is the DOJ is working on finding a buyer for Boost, which is going to address the prepaid concerns. So if you're worried, maybe you're on Boost, maybe you're on Metro, and you know that I need more carriers to create competitive pricing so I can continue to get a good deal. I get it. That's going to be retained in this merger. The DOJ is enforcing that Boost is going to be divested. It will not be part of the new T-Mobile. It will operate on the new T-Mobile network. It'll get a price lock. The new ownership group is going to be able to operate it independently of Sprint and the new T-Mobile. So it'll have an ownership group that is completely separate, and it will still continue to compete with Metro. So that competition is being retained. So there's the first thing. Prepaid is going to be retained. And of course, the MVNO deals for all the different MVNOs out there are going to retain their price locks. So they're not going to see price increases. Your prices are not going to go up. That's the first part. So prepaid's covered. The network for T-Mobile is going to be so much better, and Boost customers are going to profit from this and benefit. AT&T is going to have to up the ante. Within 1 year from the merger approval and the network integration for T-Mobile, Cricket's going to have to improve its speed restriction. They're no longer going to be able to keep people capped at 4 or 5 megabits per second. Oh no. Because Boost customers are going to be benefiting and getting faster speeds, more reliable connectivity nationwide. They're not going to be able to pull that crap anymore. Mark B with another super chat. Thank you so much. He says, Boost mobile dealers will suffer from this merger. CDMA phones will disappear. T-Mobile won't give them a good deal to use the network. The dealers will suffer more than they are suffering now. I want to address that. Thank you for the super chat, Mark B. Boost mobile dealers, a public service announcement to you. Buy more. Buy another store. Buy 2 stores. Buy 3 stores. If you are a Boost mobile dealer, buy. Purchase. Because Boost is about to get a price lock that is going to take them through several years that will make profitability from their operations very good. The lines of activation, the sales of devices, the port-ins, all that's going to be healthy. Now is the time to buy a Boost. Because the CDMA phones in 3 years, about 2 years, 3 years, we'll see. The CDMA phones are going to have to shut down. People are going to have to buy new devices. Anybody who's got a phone from 5 years ago that operates through the CDMA side, all those activations with Boost, that's all going to switch to LTE only. The GSM, the CDMA, all this is nonsense. We're talking LTE here. CDMA is done. That just means more people are going to have to decommission their old CDMA phones and upgrade to LTE only phones. And yes, the concessions are going to enforce a price lock. Boost is going to have it made in the shade. Whoever's on Boost now, don't leave. Reap the benefits of the merger, because you're going to go from a limited nationwide carrier coverage. If you ever looked at a Boost coverage map, speeds have been lacking. Upload has been almost non-existent. That's all going to change when it starts operating on the T-Mobile and the new T-Mobile network. It's not going to be the same. Expanded 600 gigahertz or 600 megahertz, band 71 support, 5G. They may have access to it. As long as you got the device, these things may be available to you. I don't think the dealers are going to suffer at all. It's going to be a very good time for growth for Boost. So your opposition, for those of you out there that oppose the merger, just ask yourself that question. Why do I oppose the merger? Is it because we're losing a 4th carrier? The concessions will get one. Is it because I don't want to see T-Mobile become too big? Why? Verizon and AT&T are still bigger than them. Or is it that you just don't want to see prepaid change? The concessions are going to address that. Boost is going to be divested. It's going to operate on its own prepaid side. Metro may be operating on its own prepaid side. All of the things that people are concerned about are being adjusted. They're being accounted for.
Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button to be notified when I upload more videos. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.